Now I am.
Where's the action?
Action.
Yeah, there we go.
Don't turn around because then you'll advertise you're no longer company.
Don't call that number.
Yeah, don't. It's not yours
you
anymore.
Won't get me. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're back in a shop talk episode. So the last time we did this, it kind of happened by accident. Nothing was working, so we just decided to kind of jump on and just talk about everything we had going. And I really liked how it worked out. I like how it kind of bridges the gap between the bikes, the cars, the trucks. We can kind of talk about everything all in one. Because I kind of realized that, you know, some of you may be here because of the bikes, some of you may be here because of the trucks, and some of you legends might actually be here because of the quad, which, glad you're here. So yeah, this is Shop Talk episode 2. Kaylin's behind the camera again. So it's nice that we have something to keep her busy, right?
Quality time together.
Quality time together, yeah. With 2 little girls, we get to see each other about 3 hours a week. So this is an added 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
We can fight a little bit while we're here.
Yeah.
It's good.
All right.
So what do you want to talk about?
The bike.
The bike? Jumping right into the bike.
Yep.
No warm-ups?
Nope.
Nothing.
Right
you
into
just
her.
want to know about the bike.
Yep.
All right, so yeah, last video, we kind of started mocking up our bobber and turned it into not a bobber anymore. But I don't know, that kind of happens when you're just peeling parts off the shelf. You kind of just let the bike design itself, right?
Is that what everyone does?
That's what I do. So, I don't know. So yeah, we got that fender fitted up better. We robbed the tank off the other bike and threw it on here. Although that one's not the one that's staying on here. That tank's junk-ish. But I got another one ordered. Found a cheap one on the Amazon.
On the Amazon?
On the Amazon. So hopefully that one shows up soon so we can keep going on that. But we still got quite a bit of work to do. I mean, everything's just kind of placed.
Nothing's secured.
No. So we still got to make our mounts for our fender, seat. I kind of got an idea for the shifter to make her a little different. And the clutch. Should I say what I'm thinking? Or leave that. Video's not for a while. And, you know, maybe.
Element of surprise.
Yeah, we'll leave that element of surprise.
Did you order anything else for it, though?
I got the bars on order. Those should actually be here this week.
Where'd you get them from?
Those are coming from Lowbrow Customs. What else? There's a few things on that order, but I can't remember. I know some stuff's for the other bike, but there's a few things for this one. So we should be able to get back to it soon enough, I think.
Do some unboxing.
Do some unboxing. Yeah, that's popular on the YouTube, is the unboxing.
I think so.
That's all my kids watch.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know. That's about where we are on this one.
Until the parts come.
Until the parts come. Yeah.
Yep. And then to the motor. It's in pieces.
The motor is still in pieces, yes. But we did. This is kind of the other nice thing I like about this shop talk stuff is making YouTube videos is hard. It keeps you really busy. And
I hadn't noticed.
yeah. And at least with the shop talk, like the boring stuff that nobody really cares to see, like me cleaning oil galleys or gasket surfaces, I can kind of do that on my own. I don't have to record every single thing. So next time I get this on the channel, we'll probably be bolting it back together. And it also gives me some time to listen to some playlists without copyright infringements. And without people thinking that what was that?
No, someone
Nobody
honked.
heard that. We heard
No.
it.
Just we heard that.
Yeah. It also gives me a chance to listen to some playlists without people thinking I'm crazy. Because if they hear me jump from Slayer to Spice Girls to
K-pop Demon Hunters.
K-pop Demon Hunters, those are bangers.
Yeah.
I don't care what you say. Those are bangers. So yeah, I think this is going to work out well. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you guys like this kind of candid episodes. But yeah, so we're still in the cleaning stage. I did get a bunch of parts that I plan to use for this, if we want to look at that. So you have to follow.
Sorry.
You're part of this now, Caitlin. So I picked up a parts washer, which is awesome. Now I don't have to have coffee cans full of old gas laying around.
Seems like a lot of parts. Boxes.
I got the metal shrinker for the fender, which is good. This is a new bearing tool off of Amazon, so we can get those cam bearings out. I've never used one of those before, so.
Looks like a expensive pile of boxes.
Yeah, I spent a lot on tools this week. I spent like $500 on tools.
How much?
What?
How much did you spend?
I don't think I said a number.
Dear me.
You know, they say you gotta spend money to make money. I don't know how
But
I'm
you're not making money.
I don't know how I'm gonna make money, but what you still gotta
Just
It's
spend
fine.
money.
Oh, Gracie, my daughter just walked in.
Say hi.
But yeah, I gotta get this stuff set up, and then we can get that motor all cleaned up, get her ready to go for next week's video. And yeah,
Where are you going to set that thing up?
I think over here I gotta move Mom's dead plants,
They're
But-
dormant, apparently.
dormant plants. Yeah, this is a cross between a body shop, a motor shop, a fabrication, and a gardening center. So we got a lot of stuff going on in here. This is the other bike. I did throw this tank on here just to see if I could make it work on this bike, so I didn't have to spend more money. I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like it either, honestly.
So you spend money to make money. This will be, we'll just get a different tank for it.
That's what they say.
But this one's got a little bit more work to do. I can't really get to this one until we kind of get on top of one of those projects, because you know me with organization. I'm really good at it.
It's non-existent.
I didn't think that's what you were going to say.
Careful with that.
So yeah, I don't want 3 projects strewn about the bed. Oh, I do have to show you something I did found that was pretty awesome. That's going to save us money.
Nope, 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 nope.
Not gonna do anything.
So
Staple gun.
when I was pulling stuff off the shelf last week, I came upon this box, and it's literally a box full of British carburetors. So that's going to save me like probably $400 because I for sure can get one together out of this, and probably.
You know,
they're
and
probably
somehow
also
I'm
good.
not shocked that you just found a random box of British carburetors
I
sitting
know.
in your dad's shop.
Carburetors. I also found some vintage Smith's gauges.
Well, see? There's a reason he kept everything. Just in case.
Just in case. Just for this reason.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you knew it. So yeah, that at least saves us a little money on this build. What you need, Gracie?
Oh no, she's had the magnet.
Oh. So yeah, I think that's
Don't trip.
where we are on the bikes, on the motor, on our investments.
Just because you call them investments doesn't make it right.
I invested in them.
Chair?
No, I didn't buy a chair. Next time.
Looks like a chair.
It's not a chair. But yeah, I don't know what else we got to talk about. Got new mics, because actually, for anybody who watched the first Shop Talk episode, I apologize because I watched it afterwards. I don't usually watch my videos afterwards, but apparently I talk too loud and I clip the heck out of mics. So, plus I lost them last week. So,
Yeah.
so I needed new mics. So we did our 3rd mic upgrade in 6 months.
Feel like that's on track like everyone does,
Yeah.
right?
Investments,
Yes, sure.
ongoing thing.
So have we done anything with the Cougar?
Haven't even looked at it.
No?
No.
Nope. Okay. Camaro?
Nope, didn't do a thing with that. That one, that one's ready for kind of a full tune-up. I don't think there's anything really seriously wrong with it, but like, we got burnt out bulbs, we got that carbs messed up. Going for a ride? Just don't drop it on a car.
Or yourself.
Yeah, don't hurt yourself too. But yeah, it just needs a general tune-up and a once-over. Careful, kiddo. So we'll probably do that when we get a little room in here. Mm-hmm. Which probably brings us to
I was just going to say, the
the
Mustang.
So I think we actually have a plan for the Mustang. I did look at this a little bit, and our oil is washed out with gas real bad, so I'm kind of thinking we got bad rings or a stuck ring or something like that. But we're going to get this moved. It's going to go to a friend's house. I don't know if we're going to do this one on the channel or not yet. To be honest, as much as I like doing all this stuff with you guys, it might be nice to just have one off screen where I can swear and have refreshments while I'm doing it and listen to the Spice Girls.
There you
Please
go.
be careful with that.
I do.
So yeah, I don't know, unless you guys really want to see this one. I think this one
You won't get
might
through
be off screen. It might be the last you see of the Mustang.
So once we get it out, you know what there's room for?
The truck.
No, my Volkswagen. My 1988 Volkswagen Cabrio that I've been waiting
I got bad
For
memories of that
a
one though.
few years
I got bad memories of that one.
because I may or may not have started you on fire.
Not may not have. The last time we tried to get it started, you started me on fire.
No pictures, no proof. Sorry, doesn't mean it happened.
Here's my package. I need to take it.
Get out of here.
I
Yeah,
feel like it would fit so nicely in here, and we can start working on
it
it.
would fit nice in here. It is the perfect time in Canada for a convertible too.
Well, we get it all done in the winter, and then come the spring, summer, we can drive it. Right?
That seems like it makes sense, doesn't it?
It does, for sure.
Yeah, we can probably.
Try.
Let's leave it up to the people. You know, maybe they don't want to see a Volkswagen.
I've been waiting for years and years for him to do something with the Volkswagen, so please be on my side and let him bring the Volkswagen in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, other than that, I think that's what we got going on. Yeah, next week we're gonna get that motor bolted back together and then hopefully get deeper into the K10. And yeah, just making investments, keeping these projects rolling.
Still doesn't make it real if you call it investments.
Super real. It's super real. Anyways, I think that's it. If you guys haven't yet, like, subscribe. Let me know if you like these update videos. And yeah, anything else?
I don't think so. Just make sure you comment that we can do the Volkswagen. And if you're lucky, maybe I'll start them on fire again for entertainment purposes.
That would be good content. Anyways,
Till next time.